Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS-Cart Instamojo Payment Gateway. Now using this particular plugin, the CS-Cart store owner can easily integrate Instamojo Payment Gateway within his CS-Cart web store. And the customers can easily select this particular payment gateway at the checkout page and can enter their card details to proceed further to place the order using the Instamojo Payment Gateway. Instamojo is verified by Visa and MasterCard, and therefore uh, Instamojo is secure code enabled payment gateway. This payment gateway is well integrated with the CS-Cart, CS-Cart Multivendor, CS-Cart Multivendor-Plus and CS-Cart Multivendor Ultimate as well. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the customer workflow, wherein we'll be seeing how to select the Instamojo payment gateway and the checkout time, and how to make the payment using the same, how the selected payment gateway is visible in the order section at the customer end, how the payment gateway is visible to the admin in the admin backend panel, and how to configure the Instamojo payment gateway from the admin backend panel as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront and I'm on one of the categories, that's the men's clothing. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding one product into the cart there. So let's go to the product page first. So I'll be going to this 100G pants, and here I'll be adding it into the cart there. After adding it into the cart there, I'll tap here on the continue shopping. Sorry for that. After that, I'll be tapping here, and I'll be tapping here on the checkout button. We'll be redirected to the checkout page, and here our billing and shipping address has been automatically selected because we're already logged in. We can choose the shipping method, tap on the continue button. Then under the credit cards here, you can see that we have the Instamojo payment method that can be used to place the order here and to make the payment for the particular order there. So the customer needs to select the Instamojo payment method, and then if there are any details of the payment method that would be visible to the customers on the right hand side here. So for this demo purpose, we have provided the card details, its expiry, the CVV and the password that can be used for placing the order there. So after selecting the payment method, the customer just needs to tap here on the submit my order button, and tapping that up would redirect us to another page, as you can see right now. And here the customer can enter the credit card details by tapping on the credit card details button there, and here we can enter the credit card details. So let me enter the credit card details. So I'll be entering a Visa card number. I'll set the expiry, the CVV number, and then I'll be tapping here on the pay 60 amount. So we'll be redirected to this MasterCard secure code section, wherein you can see the amount that needs to be paid is 60 in INR, depending upon the currency of the store there. And here we have to enter the password. So I'll enter the password, and then we'll be tapping here on the submit button. So as soon as we have tapped on the submit button, the payment would be processed and the order would be completed there. And thereafter the customer can view the details of the order by navigating to the orders section there. So the order has been placed. Now let's go to my account and orders section, and here if I go to the order number 125, that's complete right now, as you can see. And here we can see that the under the summary we have the payment method as Instamojo payment method. The shipping method is standard shipping, the subtotal is $459, and the shipping cost is $25.45 there. Now the same can be viewed by the admin in the admin backend panel by logging into the admin backend panel. So we'll enter the email address, password, and we'll tap here on the sign in button. We'll go to the orders and view orders section, and we'll go to the order number 125. We'll open it up, and here we are having two products, and here on the right hand side you can see the shipping the payment method as Instamojo payment method. The order status is complete right now. So this was the workflow of the particular plugin, that's the CS-Cart Instamojo Payment Gateway, and I showed you how to select the Instamojo Payment Gateway at the checkout time and how to make the payment using the same, how the selected payment gateway is visible in the orders section at the customer's end, and how the payment gateway is visible to the admin for the respective order in the admin backend panel, how the admin can check the payment information, and under that he can check the particular payment method selected by the customer at the time of checkout there for the respective order there itself. Now let's see how the admin would be able to make the initial configuration settings for the plugin. So for that you need to navigate to administration and payment methods. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin, what you need to do is you need to navigate through administration and payment methods, and here you need to tap on the add button to add a new payment method. So initially you will have only one tab, that would be general tab, then you will get another tab here to configure the payment method. So here we have to enter the details like name, processor, template, payment category, user group, description, surcharge, payment instructions, status, and the icon for the payment method. So I've already added the particular one, that's the Instamojo payment method, and let me edit it up and let me show you the different configuration settings that we have set up. So under the general settings you can see that we have set the name as Instamojo payment method. The same payment method name is visible to the customers at the checkout time. We have selected the processor as Instamojo payment. The template has been selected as cc_outside.tpl. The payment category is credit card. For the user group, we have selected it for all user groups, so that all of the user groups like guests, registered users, or any other users that are there within your store can make use of this Instamojo payment method for placing the orders within your store there. You can set up the description or for the same if there are any surcharges that you want to charge, and you can set up the surcharge title as well. If there are any validated texts, you can select that up. You can give the payment instructions as well. So this is the payment instruction that we saw at the checkout time that was visible to the customer after the customer had selected the Instamojo payment method at the checkout time there. You can also add an icon here for the payment method as per your own requirement. After you have saved the particular payment method, then you'll have the configure option as well. So if you go to the configure section, here we have to enter the client ID, secret key, choose the test mode, and select the success order status as well. So here you have to select or you have to enter the client ID and the secret key. Now these two things, that's the client ID and the secret key, you will receive after you have created a merchant account with the Instamojo payment gateway itself. After you have created the merchant account, you will get the client ID and the secret key, and both of those need to be entered here within these two particular sections. Then you can choose the test mode as yes if you want to make use of the Instamojo payment method to run it in the test mode or the development mode. Otherwise, if you choose it as no, then it would run in the production or the live environment there as per the requirement there. Then we had the success order status. So here you have to select the order status on the successful order. So whichever order is being placed using the Instamojo payment method, you have to choose the success order status. So you have to choose it as complete or as per your own requirement there, and then you need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the CS-Cart Instamojo payment gateway, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.